Happy Thursday, and welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead. Now, this one is paying very well, which is why I wanted to bring it to you. So we will not waste any time. We will just dive on in. The company Customer.io, they have a marketing software platform that a lot of big companies use. Some of those companies are IMAX, like the theaters, the Knot, Shutterstock, but they are hiring a billing specialist. Now, as a billing specialist, you'll respond to and own the customer inquiries. You'll work within the company internally to get answers for the customers. You'll monitor and respond to alerts from their billing system, flag any issues, make corrections and adjustments to accounts. You'll send and monitor the status of open invoices for their premium customers. You'll help manage overdue processes with empathy and transparency, and you'll help the customer success team answer any billing questions. You'll also help the sales team by getting contracts out the door and building custom pricing plans for their new customers. So this is a customer service role. So they are looking for someone who is a creative problem solver, someone who can be the kind of person that loves to dial into the details and dig deep into research and billing, the extra zero, that check mark, the decimal point. It all matters. Someone who has strong written communication skills, someone who's a resourceful person and can take the customer-focused approach. Now, they are looking for someone who is located in the Americas. It says UTC 7 to UTC 3 would be ideal. It does not state that they don't hire outside of the Americas, but that is what they're looking for because they want someone who can work specific hours, because you'll need to overlap with your manager who is based in the UK, and then a lot of their team is based in the United States. Now, this position not only offers great pay, but amazing benefits as well. Their starting salary is anywhere from $63,000 a year all the way up to $72,000 a year. They offer the standard PTO, medical, dental, vision, 401k, but they also offer internet and cell phone reimbursement up to $200 per month for your internet and cell phone plans. So they pay for your internet, they pay for your cell phone. They also offer up to $2,000 home office stipend. This is to help get your home office set up. So if you have a computer, but it's kind of outdated, if you can get started with that until you get your home office stipend, maybe this $2,000, you can buy yourself a new computer. You can get a desk and computer chair. However you need your home office set up, that is what that money is for. They also offer other benefits as far as if you want to rent out a co-working space, they can reimburse you for that. They reimburse you for learning and development classes and conferences so you can continue to grow. And it says they have a flexible work schedule and you can work anywhere you want. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.